Go.
Good morning, Dustbuster V, Mr. Wakelin here, and it's time for some gardening on this lovely Monday. And our special guest today is Ruin. Say hello, Ruin.
Hello.
Right, for your gardening, this is not real gardening because it's January, but for your gardening you are going to need some dirt. Yes? I've just pulled this out of our front garden, just dug it up. It's nothing special. It's very damp at the moment, so we probably won't need to water it much. You might need, because you can do any one of these, or lots of these, or all of them, it doesn't matter. You will need a carrot. You will need the stem of a lettuce. 1 clove of garlic. If you can get your hands on a pepper, even better. Right, to start with, we're going to make our pots. So what we're going to use is toilet roll tubes, and the best thing to do with these is to chop them in half like so, and then place them on a plate because you don't need them that tall. I've also got a little glass dish. You can use a teacup or a little bowl or anything really to grow your lettuce in. So what we're going to do with this, Roo, we're going to put some water in it. Put some water in here, about halfway full. Pop it on your plate. And a lettuce, once it's grown down, once you've chopped it apart and you've eaten all the lettuce, the nice bit, the core, if it's sat in water, will start to re-sprout lettuce leaves that you can put back in your salads and back in your food. So if you just leave that half submerged in there, that's planted. Yeah? Now for our...
We eat that bit.
We've eaten the rest of it, haven't we? We're not eating that bit because that bit's yucky. Tastes like sour, doesn't it? Tastes a bit yucky. Yeah? Yeah.
We tasted the bits and not lucky.
Yeah, we don't want that bit, do we? Now my best advice is to use wet wipes and fold them into quarters and then push them down into your toilet roll tubes. If you come in a bit closer, Junior. So like that. Otherwise you're going to find that your soil just falls out the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze them in. Wet wipes or damp tissue would do the same job.
Oh.
You having a look, Roo? That's
Yeah.
it. You doing it? Good job. Do this one. Push it in for me. And last one.
I'm helpful.
You are helpful. There we go. Right. Once you've got nice bottom now on your pots like that. Once you've got 4 little pots like this, position them nicely on your plate. Now you must use, be careful now because I don't want angry messages from adults at home. You must use a plate that mum or adults at home don't care about. And when you're spooning your soil, please don't use a spoon that you eat your cereal with because yucky. Do you want to eat off this spoon, Roo? No. Now we're going to spoon some, Daddy do one and then you do the rest, Roo, yeah? We're going to spoon soil into our pots. So you want them, I'll do with this one, you do the next one, Roo. You want them
I do some of them.
just shy of the top, like that. Okay, that one's done, you do the next one, Roo.
I will not do them long.
You're doing that one first, do you? Daddy scoop it off. Okay, next one, bit more. And scoop it off, good boy. Bit more. Bit more. Oh my god, we're going with a full spoonful. Where's it going in there? Good job. Look at that accuracy. Child's got gardening skill. Whoops. Spoke too soon. Good boy, Roo.
Well,
Yeah, a little bit more. That's it. Right, now, let's put the spoon back in the bowl. And let's tidy all this bits up so we can use all these bits and put them in. Okay, so this isn't special soil. It's not compost or anything. If you've got compost, and adults at home are keen gardeners, you might have better results with real compost. But I'm just using soil from our front garden. It's nothing special. It's just standard dirt. Right. So there we are. We've got 4 pots now ready to go. What you're going to do is, because this is ignore the enormous knife. It's a big knife, isn't it? Because it's leftovers from cooking.
tiny knife too.
You want to chop. So you might want to wait until you've got one of these in the food bin anyway. But chop the top sort of 1 centimetre of a carrot off,
We eat the bottom bit.
and you can plant. We'll eat that bit. That can go back in the fridge. And plant the carrot just in there. Now the moisture will help the carrot grow, and you'll end up with carrot leaves coming out the top. And you can chop them and you can put them into salads. Same with garlic clove. Don't need to do anything to it. Maybe peel off the top slightly.
We eat that bit too.
Yeah, we'll eat that bit for dinner, shall we? Peel the top away slightly, and what will happen is it'll actually start to sprout from the centre and leaves will come out. And again, you can use these.
Oh, we eat it.
We could eat that one, I suppose, and then plant it in like that. And with the last ones, I'm just going to try and grab a few of these seeds.
I
Go, Roo.
got that.
And put them in this one. That's it. Sprinkle them in. I would do more than you probably think. No, not that one. No, we're going to end up with mixed. We got a mixed cultivation now, Roo. In this one, Roo. In there. Now, what I would do is probably put more seeds in than you think. Push them all in, Roo, now. No, we don't need any more. Don't need any more. We'll end up with peppers coming out of our eyes. That's enough. That's it, last ones, okay? And then push the seeds down. I should probably take them out there, shouldn't we? Oh, we'll leave them, see what happens. Push the seeds down, and then go back to your soil. Little bit of soil on top to put them to sleep.
Oh, we have them eat.
They're going to go to bed. They're tired.
Oh, little ones.
Put some on here.
Little ones.
And then you want to leave your plate with all your growing things in sunlight, because they need sunlight, and ideally somewhere that's reasonably warm, but don't put it on top of a radiator because you'll kill the seeds. So I think we're going to put ours. Where should we put ours if we want it in sunlight? Where should we put it?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think we'll put ours, because we've got a skylight in our utility room. If we put it up on this shelf.
Oh, I like my that much.
There we are. Once yours are planted, upload a picture and then we'll see how they grow. They won't be instant, might take a couple of weeks.
And my seeds too.
We can't plant the whole carrot. Say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.